guys, welcome back to my channel. Happy 4th of July. So today, this afternoon, I'm going out. So originally we want to go to the park, but it's sudden rain, so we go to Webull outlet. So I saw one of you guys ask me about my portfolio, so here I want to share with you guys. So currently I only have 25% of the asset in stock, and the other 75% is in cash. As you guys can see my brokerage account here, the reason is like in March when the market drops 30%, I was really scared about whether it's gonna going down further. Even though some of the stocks like Facebook has already go down to $170, and at that time I just bought 3 shares. Yeah, because I'm concerned about whether the market is gonna drop further in March, so I didn't buy a lot. And I'm just gradually buy some in April. And I read a lot of news and a lot of experts like Ray Dalio said there would be a second crash and also something like the loss in decades. So that's why I keep large part of my portfolio into cash. And during these months, I have sold some of my travel stock, including CCL, Delta, and Boeing. Here is my portfolio. I think the 3 largest position is S&P 500. I bought VOO, which is a Vanguard ETF, because I compare with VOO and SPY and saw VOO have lower management fee. So yeah, that's why I choose it. And the other one is BRKB. As you guys know, I'm a big fan of Warren Buffett. I think Warren Buffett's company is very stable. It even performs better than S&P 500. And currently, the price around 170 to 180 is relatively cheaper. So that's why I also bought. And I also plan to buy more if the price drops further. And the 3rd largest position is AT&T. I bought AT&T because of its 7% dividend. After the market crash in March, I adjusted my portfolio, and every day I just tell myself that, what would you do if the market crashed tomorrow? So I guess if the market crashed tomorrow and I still have AT&T provide stable dividends, that would be more risk-averse choice. I do invested in other growth stocks like Facebook and IRBT, but I sold some of it a month ago, which according to the current market, I sold it earlier. Yeah, I mean, currently I didn't invest heavily in the stock market, as you guys can see. Although I lost a lot of stock. Because the current price is too high, so I didn't get started. So some stocks like Walmart and Costco, I just get started with a small position. So later on, I will increase my position if the price is good enough. So through these 4 months, I learned a lot about investing. Previously, I just think buy low, sell high, but now I think regular investing is more important than like one speculation. Although one-time speculation can bring you profit in the short term, but it seems not sustainable. I think that's why Warren Buffett is the richest man and who made it through stock investing. So my current performance is not as good as SP. I do have to think about whether I should turn most of my portfolio to SPY or VOO so that it would be more stable growth. I think now I'm very interested in investing. I think to me it's more than how much money I made in the stock market. It's more learning and growth and analyzing different industry, and especially when I look into the data of the industries, I'm really interested. Like when I look into the Alta stock, I found in the past 20 years, the growth is even more than Amazon. So it seems like in every sector, there are some opportunities behind. I remember when I just did investing with Robinhood, I only know that there's hot stocks like fan stocks. But through the study in the past 4 months, I have a more systematic approach, and I also made my strategies, and I kind of plan my trade and trade my plan. I think to me that feels very achieved, and I know I'm a little bit smarter at the end of the day than yesterday. That's what I think is important through the stock investing process. I always think about like compare with institutional investors, what advantages do we have as retail investors? I think they have larger asset amounts, so that's why they have advantages. But from technical analysis point of view, individual investors have more advantages because they have smaller assets. That means they can seize the timely opportunities and move fast in the stock market without affecting the price. For institutional investors like asset management, since they have larger asset amounts, so every time they make a trade, it will affect the stock market, and you can see like from the MACD, their assets inflow or outflow, and constantly that will affect their overall price. But for individual investors, we don't have that problem. Okay, that's all for today. So what do you guys think of my portfolio? Feel free to drop in the comment section below. I would love to hear your suggestions. Okay, I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.